subsidiary evolution is embedded in the functioning of multinational enterprises. However, its complexity is often not fully acknowledged. It is multifaceted, as it involves changes in the subsidiary's specific charters and corresponding capabilities. It is multidirectional, as it relates to enhancement and depletion. It is also multiform, as more than one evolutionary process can simultaneously co-occur in a subsidiary. It raises questions about individual determinants' impact on the different processes. Knowledge of the conditions under which specific evolutionary trajectories occur allows managers to actively shape the probability of their occurrence. To this end, the authors extend and refine the general model of subsidiary evolution of Birkinshaw and Hood, and develop a typology of functional evolutionary paths. With the focus on individual functional activities, the authors build up a well-defined set of evolutionary configurations. The described approach is applied in reference to 266 foreign-owned subsidiaries, located in Poland and Switzerland, and operating in the manufacturing sector. Among these units, a total of 1,455 functional evolutionary paths are identified. They indicate that all types of functional evolutionary paths occur in the empirical setting. Furthermore, functional evolutionary processes are common and take place in all considered value chain functions. Additionally, most subsidiaries concurrently experience different evolutionary trajectories. Evolutionary configurations, not considered in the general model, represent 43% of the identified paths. Notably, at least one of those configurations occurs in approximately 75% of the subsidiaries. Each of the rarest configurations in the sample represents around 2% of the total sample. At least one of the mixed configurations that are not part of the general model and are generally overlooked in the literature occurs in nearly 17% of the subsidiaries. The authors also analyzed the dataset using a two-level multinomial logistic regression. The results show that while the extant literature correctly suggests initiative autonomy and track record as determinants of subsidiary evolution, it often fails to capture the full complexity of existing relationships. For example, while the results demonstrate that a successful initiative is often associated with an increase in the subsidiary's charter, the claim that such an initiative facilitates the development of distinct functional capabilities is only partially valid. High level of autonomy has often been associated with the strategic development and charter enhancement. The findings of this study point towards a revision of this belief. They indicate that lower levels of autonomy do not prevent subsidiaries from expanding their functional charters and, to some extent, capabilities. Furthermore, while an established track record increases the likelihood of enhanced functional capabilities, it does not always translate into an increase in the functional charter. In fact, in some cases, it increases the likelihood of charter depletion. Overall, a subsidiary's evolution is a complex and diversified phenomenon in which many elements interact in a non-simple way. In this sense, the article encourages further studies addressing the complexity of a subsidiary's evolution and its organization within multinational enterprises.